Hi guys, in today's video I'd like to share 4 useful ways to remove annoying watermark from photos. All the links will be put in the description. Hope they are useful to you. And please be noted that only use the functions for your personal use. Any illegal actions are not allowed. Let's dive into the topic. The first one is HitPaw Photo Object Remover. It is a powerful desktop software that can automatically remove complicated objects or remove background from photos using AI. The operation is easy. After importing an image, we can use the brush tool or selection tool. Select the watermark. Then click on Preview to check the result. The watermark is removed within seconds. Let's try another image. The watermark is on the car and it covers some details of the car. That's not a problem. Use the brush tool to paint the watermark. Then click on Preview. The watermark is gone and it doesn't affect any details of the car. We can compare between before and after. The process is very easy. To export the photos, just click on Export All and they will be saved on your local file. The second way is using HitPaw's online watermark remover. It can help you remove text, people, and any other unwanted objects from your photos. It's also very easy to operate. Import your image. Then use the brush tool to paint over the watermark. Finally, click on Remove. And that's done. The other photo is also a piece of cake. This is the original image, and this is after. The next way I want to share is using Photoshop to remove watermark. Photoshop is also a powerful desktop software for photo editing. All we need to do is to import the image with watermark. Then use the Spot Healing Brush tool. Paint over the watermark as we did just now. Then we can quickly get a clean image. However, sometimes it is not that easy to remove complicated watermark like this one with Photoshop. Some errors might occur as Photoshop couldn't analyze the details correctly. And it's gonna affect the quality of the original image. Indeed, we can use Photoshop to fix that, but it would be very time-consuming. So here I would share the fourth way to fix the issue. The fourth way is using Adobe Firefly, online AI tools developed by Adobe. We are using the generative fill to remove watermark. Upload an image. Choose the insert mode. Choose Add. Then paint over the watermark. It looks like erasing, but that's fine. After that, a floating bar will pop up. We can just leave the prompt blank and click on the Generate button. Then it will automatically generate 3 options for us to choose. You can see the watermark is gone. Select the one you like to keep and that's it. The same process for all kinds of images with watermark. Paint over it and generate. If you are not satisfied with the options, click on More to get another 3 options until you find a suitable one. Alright, that's the share for today. Check out the links in the description. If any of these tools help, please like and subscribe to my channel to help me create more videos like this. I would really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.